Hey everyone, hope you're doing okay. I wanted to real quick remind you that it's time to get your crepe myrtles trimmed up. If you've got crepe myrtles and you want to have them trimmed or you're going to trim them yourself, now's the time to do it while they're completely dormant. Right now during the winter months, that's when you want to trim them. And the way these winters have been going, they've been pretty mild here recently, and it seems like this is going to be a mild one as well. We don't really know when the crepe myrtles are going to start coming out of dormancy. It might be sooner than normal. So sooner rather than later, go out there and trim your crepe myrtles up. I'm not going to go into how to trim them in this video. I'll probably make other videos about it. We also have some on our Facebook page already that you can look up. But if you don't know how to trim crepe myrtles, if you've never done it before, make sure you look it up and do it the right way. You can do a lot more damage than good if you don't trim them the right way. It's very, very important to trim them the right way. Don't just go out there and start trimming away on it without knowing what you're doing. So hope that helps. If you have any questions about that, feel free to let us know. We'll be glad to help you out. Thanks.